Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy the UFO Gaming token. A little bit of intro for those who are new to this channel. My name is Sarah, and on this channel I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I talk about personal development and so much more. If you're interested in any of these topics and you like to learn how to make money with trading, investing in cryptocurrency, then this is definitely the right channel for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see more of this. UFO Gaming token has been going parabolic. It has gone crazy. In the last 30 days, UFO has gone up by like over 300%, as you can see here. So yeah, this is definitely a really good coin to invest in, not only because it has gone up by a lot, but because it is a project that is built on the metaverse token. And as you all know, the metaverse is trending right now. Like a lot of cryptocurrency that are built on the metaverse have been going crazy. Coins like Mana, Sandbox, Render token, all these coins have been going up like crazy, and UFO is one of those tokens. It's one of the metaverse tokens, and right now it's catching up with those other cryptocurrency. And as you can see, UFO right now is so cheap to buy right now. This is the current price for UFO. It has actually gone up in the last 24 hours. It has gone up by like 2% in the last 24 hours. So you can see here it's still very cheap to buy UFO. If we look at the tokenomics here, you can see the lowest UFO has been is 0.00000035 and 0110, and the highest today is actually the day it has hit its all-time high, which is 0.0000 5569. It hit its all-time high today. This is really amazing. I'm actually very bullish on this coin, and I noticed that there's not that many videos on YouTube that is actually teaching people on how to buy this crypto. A lot of people want to get into it, but they don't know how to buy it. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to buy it without paying any gas fee, guys. I know the gas fee are ridiculous. Nobody want to give away all their hard money to gas fee. It's so much, like I don't understand it. So here, let me save you guys some money by showing you how to buy it the very cheapest way, the best way. Okay, so the exchange that you want to buy UFO from is called gate.io. So what you want to do is go to gate.io.com. So this is the main page. Now, if you don't have an account, you're going to need to create one. It literally takes like 5 minutes or less to create an account. Once you have an account, then before you can buy any cryptocurrency on the exchange, you're going to have to perform a KYC. Okay, you're going to need to verify your identity on this exchange before you can be able to start purchasing crypto on this exchange. The exchange will walk you through step by step on how to do that. Once you have done that, now before you can buy crypto on this exchange, you need to have money in your wallet. If you don't have any money in your wallet, you won't be able to buy any cryptocurrency on this exchange. Now, the trading pair for UFO is USDT. That is the cryptocurrency that you can buy UFO with. There are two ways that you can get USDT on Gate.io. You can buy it directly on Gate.io using a credit card or doing bank transfer. This is going to be different depending on where you live in the world. So if you want to buy it with a credit card, then just click on credit card. It will bring you to this page, and then on this area where it says currency purchased, you select that, and then on the drop down menu you want to select USDT, and then you can put the amount of money you want to buy, like the amount of US dollar you want to spend. You can also use Canadian dollar. There's so many currency available here, which is amazing. Now once you've selected that, they have a few service provider that they're partnered with, which you can use to purchase the USDT using your credit card. Now I haven't used any of this service providers, so I'm not really sure how they work. So I would not really recommend it. If you know how it works, then go ahead and use it. But if you don't, then I would not recommend it. I recommend you do your own research to figure out how exactly this service provider works. The way that I have been able to add USDT into my Gate.io wallet is this. I basically transfer my USDT from a different exchange into my Gate.io wallet. The exchange that I use is called crypto.com. So this is crypto.com. It is an exchange that you can buy cryptocurrency on. It's one of the best exchange. I've been using it for the past year now, and they have so many cryptocurrency listed on there. The only thing is they don't really have all those lower market cap crypto listed on there. They only have like a lot of the bigger market cap, you know. So yeah, this is like a big exchange that only lists like bigger cryptocurrency. So if you want to buy like all this brand new cryptocurrency that just came out, you won't really be able to buy them on crypto.com. However, on crypto.com you can buy USDT. It's very easy to buy USDT on crypto.com. You can download the app. They have an app, and it's way easier to use crypto.com through the app than on the website. So you can easily just download the app on your Play Store or Apple Store. Just search up crypto.com and it should be the first option that comes up, and then just download it, create an account. Then after that, on crypto.com you can easily buy USDT Tether there. You can buy it with credit card. You can buy it by doing e-transfer, by transferring money from your bank to your crypto.com account, and then use that money to buy your USDT Tether. Or you can also transfer USDT from a different exchange into your crypto.com. So yeah, so that's one way, and that's what I've been doing. So once you've created your crypto.com account, add funds into your account, buy USD Tether. Once you buy USDT Tether, then you need to transfer that USDT Tether to your Gate.io account. I'll show you the steps on how to transfer that money to your Gate.io account. So basically what you want to do is you want to get your Gate.io USDT wallet address and paste that onto your crypto.com USDT wallet address. This is what you would do. You go to Gate.io, hover over to wallet. On the drop down menu, you want to select on deposit because you want to deposit the money, right? And then once you come to this page, make sure the coin that's selected is USDT Tether. If it's not, just click on this, and then on the drop down menu you can just search for USDT Tether, and it's this option here. Now the chain that you want to select is ERC20. Select that. This is the address that you need to copy and paste it into your USDT account when you're withdrawing USDT out of your crypto.com wallet. So when you want to transfer USDT out of your crypto.com wallet, you want to go to your USDT wallet on crypto.com and then select transfer, and then select withdraw because you want to withdraw it. And then under withdraw, it's going to ask you to put an address of where you want to withdraw that money to, and this is the address. This is the address that you want to copy and paste onto that box where you would put that address. You put it there, then you make sure the network on crypto.com is exactly ERC20 as well. If you select a different network, then your money is going to be lost forever. So just make sure that the network is ERC20 both on crypto.com and on Gate.io. Okay, once you do that, it's going to take like 30 minutes up to an hour for the funds to be reflected to your Gate.io account. Once the funds have been reflected to your Gate.io account, now you're ready to buy some UFO Gaming token. This is the exciting part. So now to buy the UFO token, we want to go to trade. Hover over to trade at the top here. On the drop down menu, go to standard, and on here on the left side you want to click on the search bar and search for UFO. It will be the UFO USDT, and then this is it. So currently you can see the price right there. This is the current price. This is where you would buy the UFO. So you want to scroll down to the bottom, and we want to buy UFO. Where it says price, this is the current price of UFO. You can change this price at any time that you want. You can select what price you want to buy UFO at, and then the amount is the amount of UFO that you want to buy. Okay, so now the trick I have found is that if you want your order to be processed very fast, then you want to make sure that the price that you're buying UFO at is a little bit higher than the current price. Let's say that I wanted to buy UFO right now, and I noticed that the current price is this, right? This is the current price. So on this box here, you see how here it's 723. I would change this last 3 digits. I'll put them a little bit higher than what it is. So instead of 688, I would, on this bar here, I would put 900. Okay, so this price is a little bit higher than what the current price is. By doing that, it's going to make it so that once I place the order, it's going to go in right away. But if you put the price lower than what the current price is, it's going to take a while for your order to get processed. So you want to always make sure that the price that you're buying the coin at is a little bit higher than the current price. Okay, so let's buy some UFO right now. I'll show you exactly how it's done. I'll buy here. Yeah, let me just put 900 here. I don't even have a lot of balance in my account, but UFO is so cheap, so I can actually buy, let's buy 3,000 there. Okay, I put 3,000 and then buy, and it's going to tell you to confirm your order, confirm, and then you want to put your fund pass. This is all things that you will set up on the exchange when you're signing up. Okay, and then click submit. Okay, so the minimum that I can spend is actually $1. Let me redo that. Okay, so I'm gonna buy 30,000 instead. 30,000 UFO. Let's do that again. You see here on the left where it says order filled, it means that my order went in right away. Someone just bought it right away. That's because I put the price higher than what the current price is, so the order will get filled in right away. And there you have it. If you follow through all the steps that I showed you in this video, you should have yourself some UFO. If not, then I would recommend that you rewatch this video and follow through step by step, and you should get yourself some UFO. Guys, UFO is still early. You're definitely making the right choice to buy UFO right now because it is a metaverse token, so definitely it has a lot of potential to grow. So you're definitely making the right choice to invest in this. This is definitely a long-term hold project. So when you buy it, I would recommend you have 2 portfolios, one where you're holding it for short term and the other where you're going to hold it for long term. Okay, that's the strategy I recommend. Okay guys, this is it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know by hitting the thumbs up. Also, if you like to learn more on trading, crypto, investing in crypto, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.